Do you want to chill on this mountain right here? Just wait for it to go off.
Sure.
Alright. Oh my god,
one.
there's so many people.
Coming to this spot right here. Dude, holy shit, there's so many shopping carts.
Grab a gun, grab a gun. Oh
my god, no. Gabe, I fell down.
Everyone's peaceful up here. We're dancing.
Oh yeah.
Okay, everyone's fine up here. We're all friends.
I'm coming up. Give me a minute. I was trying to snipe at a guy down there. So if things go hostile, I have grenades and a hunting rifle, so...
Okay.
There's so many damn shopping carts up there.
Yeah. Everybody's just enjoying the view. I love this.
Hello, Min.
Don't hit him. We're friends.
I know.
Let's not even kill this guy after it goes off. Oh, 1 minute. 1 minute.
I'm just gonna non-stop do respect. He's heartbroken. Oh yes, this man. Come on, brother, let's do it together. No, that's horrible.
How's this guy a no skin, but he has...
No, he has like a bunch of stuff. Dude, is this like a daredevil area?
Yeah, there's a bunch of shopping carts up here, and you can like fly.
Wait, there's a guy coming up. Should we be worried? There's a guy coming up. Should we be worried?
No, don't worry.
Okay.
He doesn't have any gun, I don't think. I think it's this guy's teammate.
Yeah, hopefully he doesn't kill us. Oh, it's Juan. It's a Juan.
It's about to go off, dude.
He fell down the mountain. There's a guy on a porta-fort right there.
Yeah. I feel like this is the 4th of July.
I'm gonna literally look at my phone until... Oh, it's right now, brother. It just hit 12:30. Oh! I'm gonna zoom in on it with my hunting rifle.
Oh! What the fuck?
Where'd it go?
What?
Oh, there it is! Oh my god!
What the fuck?
I shot it with my hunting rifle.
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Oh my god! Whoa! Oh my god!
What in the freak?
This is crazy. It's just going up. There it goes. Peace out. Oh, it failed. Oh, where's it going? Oh, the thrusters are going towards fate or anarchy. So I'm gonna watch this one.
Yeah, you watched the... Wait, did the thrusters hit?
Yeah, it hit anarchy. We already knew that.
Dude, it's going way fucking high up there.
Yeah!
Oh. Shit, it's coming back down.
It is?
Brother, it's coming back down.
Is that it? That blue thing over there? Or is it the brighter one? What the fuck?
Do you hear that?
Yeah. Is that the visitor?
What? Dude, what if somebody's in there and can control the rocket?
What the?
What in the hell?
What?
Tilted!
No!
Tilted by, brother! What in the hell?
What the?
It almost just wrecked Tilted. What in the shit?
What the?
What in the?
What the heck is?
Where's it going? No, not junk! Don't do it to your boy!
Where's it going? What the fuck?
Wait, where the fuck? It's going through freaking space, bro.
That went right by us. What is that?
Oh, it's coming back, brother. What in the hell?
What is going on?
What in the fuck?
What the?
It's like crashing the universe.
It opened a new portal to time. What the fuck? That's crazy. What just happened? Is that the visitor? Is he doing it? Is it spreading?
Is that it?
I think so. What the fuck?
Should I just wreck this guy right here?
No.
I have one sniper bullet. I have one sniper bullet. This
That was crazy.
What in the fuck is that shit?
What do you think's gonna happen now?
I don't know.
I thought that was
in
gonna
the
destroy
shit?
Tilted. I thought Tilted was gone.
New
So
weapon.
people already saw it. The thrusters hit like right here, I think.
Dude, it was coming straight for Tilted. I thought it was just gonna beast Tilt. That
Yeah,
was such a troll.
I thought it was gonna
That's
blow
such
up
a
Tilted.
troll, bro. It was gonna go straight for Tilted, like for the memes, and then everybody was just got freaking memed on by Epic Games.
I still don't have a gun. Dude, that's crazy. Alright, now we have to check the bunker and stuff.
Yeah, I think that's where the thrusters hit, actually.
No, the thrusters hit Anarchy. People
How do
already
you know?
saw it. It was in some people's game files already.
Oh.
Crazy.
What in the hell, brother?
I know, it just opened a new portal to time and space. Is it the Juan? Oh, they're
I
on
don't
me.
think so. Where do you see him at?
I hear him.
No, they're in here.
Oh yeah, he's going at the back. He's going to the
Yeah,
right.
yeah, I see him, I see him.
He gone. I'll take
Friends
his
behind
phone.
us.
Okay.
Friends behind us. He's shooting on the hill. Here, you go in there and loot. There's a AR in there for you.
I already got an AR. I'm set now.
Okay, I need it then.
Ah! Behind us!
Told you.
I didn't know
Fuck,
where
he's
behind
coming for me.
was. No, he's shooting me.
He's down. He's down on the ground. He's a tomato fuck.
Yeah. What the? No!
What a tryhard.
My name's Buklafi. My name's Buklafi. I love Drake.